The air feels heavier tonight. Every shadow knows my name. I move forward through the light, but nothing ever stays the same. Every second pulls me on, even when the moment's gone. I'm still moving forward now, through the quiet, through the dark. Every step, every sound is a promise I won't break down. I'm still moving forward on, till the dark is finally gone. Time slips through my open hands, like a memory half defined. I don't know where I will end, but I won't leave myself behind. Every breath becomes a sign that this moment still is mine. I'm still moving forward now, through the quiet, through the dark. Every step, every sound is a promise I won't break down. I'm still moving forward on, till the dark is finally gone. If I fall, I'll rise again. Let the silence shape the end. Every scar becomes a flame, calling out my name. I'm still moving forward now, through the storm, beyond the clouds. Every tear, every ground only lifts me higher now. I'm still moving forward on. I was strong all along. Still moving, still